Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to make different patterns. You guys know what patterns are, like red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, and a pattern just keeps going on and on and on, and it repeats itself. So today what we're going to do is I can make a pattern book, okay? So we're going to work together on it. You can print this out, mom and dad can if they want to. If you don't want to print it out, that's okay too. But what you're going to need to have then is a piece of paper so that way you can draw, you can write the different types of patterns. And then also I got some counters, okay? So I can show you that way too. So you can even do patterns with counters. You could do patterns with anything, even with sounds. Like right now, I can make a pattern with sound like clap, snap, clap, snap. You see how it keeps going over and over and over again? So you can make a pattern any way you want to. So I'm going to show you different ways to make those patterns, okay? So if you printed out the book, that's great. If not, that's okay too. Just have some counters or have some different sounds so that way you can get ready. So what we're going to do is we're going to go, it says, I can make an A-B pattern. An A-B pattern means you only have two things, okay? So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So I'm going to get two things. So I have my bear counters, and I have green, and I have red. So that's the only thing that I'm going to need is green and red. So now to make the pattern is I'm going to go green, red, green, red. Now I'm going to have to get green again and then red again. Okay, so the pattern's going to go green. It's going to go green, red, green, red, green, red. What do you think would go here? I hope you said green. All right, so now we have green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red. So now I'm going to put a red bear. All right, now I have green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. That would be our last one. And if you wanted to make it longer, you can get another red one and make it even longer. So you see how it's an A-B pattern? So like A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. So what I did is I took my worksheet that I had and I cut out the little glues and the little scissors, and what you're going to do is you're going to put glue across here, and then I'm going to take these off. I'm going to take my pattern off. When you put glue across here, you're going to make an A-B pattern. So I have my glue, and I'm just going to go ahead and put glue all the way across. So that's just easier for me to stick. So I'm just going to do that. And then I'm going to go ahead and make my A-B pattern. So I'm going to start with glue. You can start with scissors. You can do either one you want. So I'm going to put glue, scissors, glue, scissors. And I'm going to keep making that pattern with my glue and my scissors until it's all done. So glue, scissors, glue, scissors, glue, scissors, glue, scissors. And if your glue dries, it's okay. Just go ahead and put another little strip of glue on there because mine just dried. So now I'm going to put scissors, and I'm going to put my glue. And you're going to have some extra pieces left over. That's okay. But if you want to make the pattern longer, you could take these extra pieces and put the pattern longer. But make sure for an A-B pattern that it has two objects, okay, or two sounds, something. And then you have glue, scissors, glue, scissors, glue, scissors, glue, scissors, glue. Okay, so that's what I did for that page. And so that page will go along with over here with these ones, okay? Now, the next pattern that we have is called an ABC pattern. That means there's three different things, okay? So it says ABC, so it's three different things. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to use my bears again, but this time I'm going to have three different colors, okay? So I'm going to do blue, red, yellow. Now that's my ABC. Okay, so now I need to do A, B, C right here. So I need another blue one because that's where my pattern started. And then red was the next color and then yellow. So now I have an A, B, C again. So A, B, C, A, B, C. Okay, now I have to do A, B, C here again. So I'm going to have blue, red, yellow. Blue, red, yellow. What would go here? I hope you said blue. So I'm going to put a blue here. Now I'm going to put a red because that's my next one. And then I need to put a yellow right here. So let's look at the pattern. Blue, red, yellow. Blue, red, yellow. Blue, red, yellow. If I wanted to extend it and make it longer, I would have to have another blue, red, yellow. So an ABC pattern has 3 things. And see how I have pencil, paper, eraser? So on here you can go pencil, paper, eraser. Pencil, paper, eraser. Pencil, paper, eraser. Pencil, paper, eraser. So you can do that on the top of your worksheet after you cut this out, okay? So that's an ABC pattern. All right, I'm going to take those ones off. And then when you cut it out and do it, go ahead and stick it all together in your book. The next pattern that we have is called an AAB pattern. This one is different. This one has only 2 things, but you have AA, so you have the same thing, then you have something different. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and do 2 greens because this is an A, and this would be an A. So AA, B would be different. So I'm going to go ahead and do blue for B. So AAB. So green, green, blue. Okay, so now we need AAB. So on this, I'm going to have